Here I have VIVO V21, and today I'm going to show you how to change icon's shape on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to download this X Icon Changer app from the Play Store. Then you have to open it. Then you have to select an icon which you want to change, for example Chrome. Here you have different icons with different themes. You can also upload your own image and set it as an icon, but I'll just go with one of these preset ones, for example this one. Then tap OK. Watch some ad. Something about communism. Great. Then tap add automatically. And as you can see now I have this new icon on my home screen, and it opens Google Chrome, like a new icon for Google Chrome. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.